What I need help with is trying to unlock my iPod Touch on a MacBook because it's saying it's not working because it's the new iTunes. I need people to subscribe to my channel and do more and make videos so I can learn how to do it to a MacBook.
It's your boy. Hey yo, where Sprites go? I'm sick of free man coming in every day, ordering up all the Sprites. True story. Listen, we got a new project coming out though, Abu. True story. So start that shit, Abu. I'm sick of dirty Sprite. I'm sick of dirty Sprite coming in there free man, ordering up all of the Sprites. True story. I know what dirty Sprite is. I know what you're doing with these Sprites. True story. Hey man, world famous DJ X-Ray. I'm hanging out with the coolest.
So subscribe to my channel, help me out, and I will play. Let me see the song y'all like. Play Future.
Hey, what up, BG? The coolest DJ in the world. The G for global. Yeah, we global now. Forever. I was nice around my nigga and was strapped up with the racks. I'm chasing out the pain. I became a savage. A nigga set my nigga up. The game was full of madness. Sometimes I wanna get inside the Escalade and crash. I'm pain running deeper than the ocean. My pain running deeper than the ocean. My pain running deeper than the ocean. Pain running deeper than the ocean. Checks, no motorcycle, on spike, drop like a bad drink. 93, that good supreme, put it all stress and blow a gas tank. I work hard and it came out. I turned up, touch the bitch out. And I went from get broke to land up to the penthouse. Got no secret when you're leaking. I woke up to eat and I seen a demon. I'm on that Brooklyn, trying to clear my thoughts. Yeah.
So subscribe to my channel and help me out. iPod Touch, second generation, and I will show you things that you never knew.